They talk of degradation, they talk of siltation, but what have they done? No?
Everywhere you find NGOs doing socio-economic activities, building cooperatives, working with traditional organizations, putting in or accessing microcredit funding for agricultural enterprises, introducing ideas about a more ecological way of doing farming. So I don't think that all of the NGOs are into advocacy 24 hours a day. What the NGOs are simply pointing to is the lack of partnership or the lack of concern of the government with respect to the plight of the communities. Right now, mining industries are bringing in millions, or shall we say even billions of pesos into the economy for short-time fixes. And government officials, unfortunately, are very short-sighted. They can only see as far as the next election, which is 3 or even 6 years. That's not a very long time frame. Communities can think of generations. So that therefore, I don't think that this is an even fighting arena.
The development plans of mining companies operating under the new Mining Act are impressive on paper. Be it FTAA or in a form of production sharing, companies claim huge monetary infusions in their areas of operations. Roads are being built and maintained to mining enclaves which are wholly owned by the mining firm. The road links the company to the nearest port for the transportation of their minerals. That people happen to use the same road is secondary. These types of self-serving developments are the major paradigms. The sentiments shared to us by communities in the different places we visited can be best captured by the story of Mang Porfirio in Sipalay.
Kung sa negosyante, okay. Kaya makanegosyo sila. Tapos kung ay naman sila negosyo, halin naman nada sila ang mga manggaranon makapilak. Kaya nga damo para sabi halimbawa may mga dikarga sila makatrabaho dra, maka-tracking may kwarta sila. Amo niya halit lang gid mo. Kaya ang amon talamnan matabunan sang hiko nila. Why man rehabilitation nga ginimo ang among gobyerno nga bulig iparehab ang amon, ang mina why man nagbulig nga i-rehab ang amon talamnan nga magbalik bisan normal nga kondisyon. Nga nalitan man umuma ang ganyo nga pro contract lang na makaobra ka to. Ti matapos ang kontrak karon why ka naman balikon mo to umuma. Nalitan man nila. Duha lagi nang halit.
And so they mine. They came and they mine. And they tell us that we need their development, livelihood opportunities, and money. We are lured into believing we would benefit from all this. While the national government continue to welcome them all, on the ground is a different scene. With the real stories told and the real pictures shown, large-scale mining companies will encounter more Mang Porfirios and Manang Juanitas with their arms not to welcome them, but raised and linked to defend their homes, their land, and their life.